In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Asana for managing your work. First, create your Asana account or log in if you already have one. Head to Asana's website or open the app, choose Sign Up to create a new account, or select Log In to access an existing one. Use a work email if you plan to collaborate with colleagues and make sure your login details are secure. Once you're in, you'll land on your home or dashboard view. Next, set up your workspace or team. Think of a workspace or organization as the overall container for your work, and a team as a group of people who share projects together. If you're using Asana for a company or department, create or choose a team that matches your group, like marketing or product. If you're working solo or with a small group, a workspace might be enough. Give it a clear name and confirm who should have access. You can always adjust privacy and membership later as your needs grow. Now, create a project for the work you want to manage. Click to add a new project. Name it plainly so everyone understands the goal, and choose whether it's private to you or shared with your team. You can start from scratch or use a template if one fits your use case. Keep the project description short but informative so anyone opening it knows what success looks like. Inside your project, add tasks. Each task should represent a single piece of work. Write concise titles, add a brief description with any relevant context or links, and attach files if they help people get started faster. Break down large goals into multiple tasks to keep momentum steady and avoid confusion. Clear, action-oriented language makes tasks easier to complete. Assign tasks to people and add due dates. Every task needs an owner, even if that owner is you. Click the assignee field to select the right person. Then set a due date so expectations are visible. Be realistic about timelines and add any notes that clarify what done means. If timing is flexible, communicate that in the task description to reduce back and forth. Finally, use views like list, board, or calendar to track progress. List view is great for a straightforward step-by-step plan. Board view helps you visualize work moving through stages like to do, in progress, and done. Calendar view shows deadlines at a glance so you can spot busy periods early. Switch between views as needed, filter to focus on what matters today, and watch your project move forward with clarity.